In this video, let's look at some cubic identities. A plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, while a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. You can get the second from the first one just by substituting minus b in place of b. So if you substitute b in place of minus b, this term turns negative, this term turns negative, and this term turns negative, and then you get the expression below. So you should remember both of these formulas. You should also know that you can rewrite the formula in a separate way where you put a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube as the subject of the formula. This kind of form is useful to solve certain questions. Let's look at a question. So in this question, a plus 1 by a is equal to 3, and we are asked a cube plus 1 by a cube. In the previous video, we had seen a similar question where we were asked a square plus 1 by a square, and we were helped by the fact that in the expansion a and 1 by a cancel each other. The question indicates that something similar should happen for cube also, and we know it would happen. If we take a cube of both sides, a plus 1 by a cube will be equal to 27, and when you expand this expression, it will become a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So this is equal to 27. Now here we know that these terms will get cancelled. A cube plus 1 by a cube is the term which we need to find, and a plus 1 by a is something we know. So for using this, we can calculate a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 27 minus 3 into 3. This gives 18. So we are helped again by the fact that a and 1 by a cancel each other. So whenever you see something of this sort, you should start thinking of the identities that you have come across. Let's see another question. So this question is an extension of the previous one, where we are asked now to produce a to the power 6 plus 1 by a to the power 6. We have already reached from a plus 1 by a to a cube plus 1 by a cube. And now we need a to the power 6 plus 1 by a to the power 6. Since a to the power 6 is square of a to the power 3, you should be able to notice that this question is very similar to the one we did in the previous video. You just need to square. So we found that a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 18 in the previous question. You just square both sides. So when we square a cube plus 1 by a cube square, it becomes a cube square plus 1 by a cube square plus 2 into a cube into 1 by a cube. And these two terms cancel each other. So we get a to the power 6 plus 1 by a to the power 6 plus 2 equal to 324. And from here you can get a to the power 6 plus 1 by a to the power 6 equal to 322.